Hello everyone, breath of fresh air seekers. Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly fighting against respiratory discomfort? Well, get ready to breathe easy and reclaim your vitality with our ultimate guide to natural remedies for respiratory health. From ancient herbal secrets to modern wellness hacks, we've curated a treasure trove of solutions to help you conquer congestion, soothe irritated airways, and boost lung strength. But before we unveil the magic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family who could use a little respiratory relief. Together, let's spread the love for holistic wellness and create a community dedicated to nurturing our precious lungs. So sit back, inhale deeply, and let's embark on a journey to respiratory revitalization. Let's get started. Method 1. Herbal Harmony for respiratory wellness. Ingredients: eucalyptus, clears nasal congestion and supports respiratory function. Peppermint, relieves throat irritation and promotes clear breathing. Ginger, anti-inflammatory properties help soothe respiratory inflammation. Thyme, contains compounds that support lung health and ease coughing. Licorice root, soothes sore throats and supports healthy mucus production. Oregano, antioxidant-rich herb that helps fight respiratory infections. Marshmallow root, forms a protective coating in the throat, easing coughs and irritation. Elecampane, expectorant herb that helps clear mucus from the respiratory tract. Fennel, helps alleviate respiratory discomfort and supports healthy lung function. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, it boosts the immune system and aids respiratory health. Procedure for preparation: combine 1 tablespoon each of dried eucalyptus, peppermint, ginger, thyme, licorice root, oregano, marshmallow root, elecampane, fennel, and lemon. Zest in a bowl. Mix the herbs thoroughly to create a blend. Usage: brew 1 tablespoon of the herbal blend in 1 cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the infusion and drink 2 to 3 cups daily for respiratory support. Inhale steam from the herbal infusion for added respiratory relief. Use the herbal blend to make a soothing throat gargle by mixing with warm water and salt. Incorporate immune-boosting foods such as garlic, turmeric, and citrus fruits into your diet. Additional tips: stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep mucus thin and promote easier breathing. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air and soothe irritated respiratory passages. Practice deep breathing exercises or yoga to improve lung function and promote relaxation. Avoid exposure to cigarette smoke and other respiratory irritants to prevent exacerbation of symptoms. Method 2. Herbal Breathe Easy Blend. Ingredients: lungwort, rich in antioxidants. It supports respiratory health and soothes irritated airways. Mullein, acts as an expectorant, helping to expel mucus from the lungs and alleviate congestion. Plantain leaf, contains antimicrobial properties that can help fight respiratory infections and reduce inflammation. Hyssop, helps to clear mucus from the respiratory tract and ease coughing. Angelica root, supports healthy lung function and can help relieve respiratory spasms. Wild cherry bark, soothes coughs and helps to relax bronchial muscles. Elecampane, acts as an expectorant and helps to relieve bronchial congestion. Coltsfoot, has demulcent properties that soothe irritated mucous membranes and reduce coughing. Fenugreek, loosens mucus and helps to expel it from the respiratory tract. Anise seed, relieves coughing and supports healthy lung function. Procedure for preparation: combine equal parts of dried lungwort, mullein, plantain leaf, hyssop, angelica root, wild cherry bark, elecampane, coltsfoot, fenugreek, and anise seed in a bowl. Mix the herbs thoroughly to create a blend. Usage: brew 1 tablespoon of the herbal blend in 1 cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the infusion and drink 2 to 3 cups daily for respiratory support. Inhale steam from the herbal infusion for additional respiratory relief. Use the herbal blend to make a soothing throat gargle by mixing with warm water and salt. Incorporate immune-boosting foods such as garlic, turmeric, and citrus fruits into your diet. Additional tips: practice deep breathing exercises to improve lung capacity and promote relaxation. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep mucus thin and promote easier breathing. Avoid exposure to respiratory irritants such as cigarette smoke and air pollution. Consider using a humidifier to add moisture to the air and soothe irritated respiratory passages. Before incorporating natural remedies for respiratory health into your routine, it's vital to exercise caution and consider various precautions. Firstly, consult with a healthcare professional or qualified herbalist, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. Some herbs may interact with medications or exacerbate certain health conditions, so it's crucial to discuss potential risks and benefits with a knowledgeable practitioner. Additionally, be aware of potential allergic reactions or sensitivities to herbal ingredients and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. It's also important to remember that natural remedies may take time to produce noticeable effects, so patience and consistency are key. Furthermore, prioritize lifestyle modifications such as maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and avoiding exposure to respiratory irritants to complement natural remedies and promote overall respiratory wellness. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any other natural remedies you find effective for respiratory health in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and until next time, take care.